Introducing the AWS-3001 Intellect Torque Tester, a powerful and versatile addition to the Advanced Witness series. This state-of-the-art torque tester is designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities, offering exceptional accuracy, versatility, and ease of use. With a bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading, the AWS-3001 ensures precise and reliable torque measurements, giving you confidence in your testing results. Its wide torque range of 10 to 100 AWS makes it suitable for various applications, while the intuitive user interface simplifies operation, allowing even non-technical personnel to conduct accurate torque tests efficiently. The AWS-3001 is built with a durable welded steel housing, ensuring longevity and reliability in even the most demanding production environments. It comes with a rundown fixture and is powered by a 12 VDC power supply or NIM batteries, providing flexibility in different work settings. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the AWS-3001 Intellect Torque Tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatility, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for quality control in various industries. Invest in the AWS-3001 and experience the ultimate in torque testing performance.